Imagine this is the energy of a 21-year-old. यहाँ पे 4 बजे आइडिया आता है, 10 बजे तक आप अनाउंस करके, वेबसाइट बना के, लोगो बना के, सब कुछ करके वहाँ से निकल भी सकते।
एक चीज़ जो मैं बहुत सुनती हूँ वो है कि बेटा अभी जितना करना है कर लो, आगे जाके रिस्क एपेटाइट कम हो जाएगा। इज दैट रियली ट्रू?
हम लोगों ने हमेशा लोगों से सुना, तो पीपल केम टू अस एंड सेड हम 50 घंटे में फिल्म बनाते हैं, उसके लिए हम लोग स्टोरीज भी 50 घंटे में ओरिजिनल लिखते हैं, तो तुम लोग स्टोरी का अलग चैलेंज करो। ओरिजिनल म्यूजिक भी 50 घंटे में बनाते हैं, तो वी स्टार्टेड अ 50 आवर म्यूजिक चैलेंज। सो वी आर ऑलवेज लिसनिंग टू व्हाट पीपल आर सेइंग।
आपने आपके इंस्टाग्राम पे लिखा है दैट यू आर अ सेल्स स्पेशलिस्ट, राइट? Why do you say that?
Sales is the number one most important thing to run a business. If you see between a good business and an average or a poor business, the difference is sales.
We were looking for a lot of names in media entrepreneurship, right? And I wouldn't say I got your name. What I got was that IFP is from Ahmedabad. And this is a news that I had in 2019, and I got very excited that, there is a company that I want to work with, which is from Ahmedabad. So first of all, welcome to Loved by Gujarat, presented by Ankur Alts and Ritam Bhatnagar. Thank you so much for doing this for us.
My
and
pleasure.
I have a lot of questions for you, so are you ready?
Yes,
Okay.
totally.
So my question to you right now is that before building IFP from scratch, what all did you try? What all did you do? And then landed on IFP?
So I started my first enterprise when I was in school. तब मैंने एक word सुना था which was called entrepreneurship. I bought a small printer जिससे मैं t-shirts print कर सकता था. So that was my first ever idea, जहाँ पे I used to take bulk orders colleges के बाद, and this is 2006. तो तब customized t-shirt printing was a very new concept, जहाँ पे आपका नाम लिखा होता है वैसा. So I remember I used to buy t-shirts for 70 or 80 rupees, another 50 rupees of printing. मेरा cost कुछ 150 rupees पड़ता था. I used to sell it for 200 rupees. I used to be very happy. Like that was my first ever money or pocket money kind of a thing that I did in my second year of college. We were also running a film club in Ahmedabad. It was one of the first private film club in India. So I and Sheila, who was also the festival director for AIFF, we used to run a film club in PVR. जहाँ पे we used to gather people and show them world cinema or regional cinema that was never shown on a big screen. So this is 2009. Again, I would have been 20-year-old back then. And then, very interestingly, I also did a very good pilot of something called touring talkies, जहाँ पे I used to go to different villages. हमने स्वदेश देखा है? हाँ, तो मैं basically अलग-अलग गाँव में जाता था. वहाँ पे शाम को तंबू लगा के स्पीकर का सेटअप लगा के I used to show films to people, and I was testing this model which was backed by a leading FMCG company, so they had invested into it. So it was a 3-month pilot जहाँ पे हर रोज एक गांव में जाते थे हम लोग. वहाँ पे किसी दिन गुजराती फिल्म दिखाते थे, किसी दिन हिंदी फिल्म, किसी दिन डब्ड इंग्लिश फिल्म, किसी दिन वी यूज्ड टू कीप इट फ्री फॉर एवरीवन. एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स इट वाज अ पायलट, एंड देन वी रियलाइज्ड कि दिस इज नॉट समथिंग दैट वी वांटेड टू स्केल बिग. तो वो हुआ. फिर वहाँ से आई यूज्ड टू कंसल्ट अ लॉट ऑफ फिल्म फेस्टिवल्स, हेल्प देम क्यूरेट, रन देयर ऑपरेशंस. बहुत सारे प्राइवेट फिल्म फेस्टिवल्स वर कमिंग वे बैक इन 2009-10, so I used to do that. And then of course Kevi Ritesh happened.
You produced it.
I was the executive producer for that film, and I was 21-year-old. You know, at 21, making a film which becomes a turning point for Gujarati cinema. So Abhishek would be 24 or 25. I was 21. Anish and Nikhil, who wrote, they were 19 and 20-year-old. So just think of 20-21 साल के बच्चे एक दिन धुन पकड़ लेते हैं कि हमारे को गुजराती फिल्म बनाना है, and then they change the course of how an industry is. So yeah, too many things that I have done. I have totally experimented in my 20s, and अभी मेरे लिए this was a good experiment. ये result है. I don't think so I want to do it further anymore. So yep.
At what age then did you realize that I am a serial entrepreneur? I have tried everything, and now I want to stick to IFP.
I think I was 25, 26. That's when your maturity kicks in, where you realize that you have to focus your energy. You can't divide your energy between multiple things. And it used to be crazy. I remember 2015, my day looked like I had to invest time in IFP because that was growing, and we were trying to figure out revenue model. फिर वहाँ से मैं वेयर की टीम के साथ बैठता था. By that time, we were almost like a 50-60 people tech team. एंड देन शाम को एक गुजराती फिल्म का रिलीज का कोई प्रीमियर होता था या डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन के लिए मेरे को बुलाते थे जस्ट टू वॉच डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर स्क्रीनिंग. आई यूज्ड टू बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिंग सो ऑल द DCR थिंग्स दैट यूज्ड टू हैपन. सो आई थिंक दैट इज वेयर वहाँ पे मतलब वो कॉन्शियस डिसीजन था कि आई नीड टू नाउ नॉट डू टू मेनी थिंग्स.
IFP is Asia's largest content creation festival, right? तो वो jump कैसे किया AFP to IFP, and what did you crack through IFP कि हाँ ये 10 साल आगे बढ़ सकता है, right? So what did you understand about the entire model?
I think so पहले साल जो the time that this was conceptualized, बहुत funny day था वो. I still remember 19 July 2011. I had 2 interns at my office. CG रोड पे हमारा ऑफिस था, 2 interns थे और हम लोग टूरिंग टॉकीज पे काम कर रहे थे, प्लस केवी तेजेश का स्क्रिप्टिंग स्टेज चल रहा था. मेरे पास एक बहुत वियर्ड आइडिया था कि मेरे रूम पार्टनर्स जो थे बॉम्बे में, वो हमेशा फिल्म बनाने का प्लान सोचते रहते थे कि फिल्म बनाएंगे. ऑडिशन हो गया, स्क्रिप्टिंग हो गया, मल्टीपल लेवल ऑफ ड्राफ्टिंग हो गया. मैं वहाँ पे उनके साथ 10-11 महीने रहा, कभी कुछ बना ही नहीं फिल्म आगे. तो आई ऑलवेज हैड दिस थॉट कि अगर यू पुट पीपल एक टाइम बाउंड स्पेस के अंदर कि आपको एक वीकेंड पे ही फिल्म बनाना है जबरदस्ती, तो पीपल वुड परफॉर्म. सो शाम को 4 बजे चाय पीते पीते आइडिया आया कि चलो एक 50 आवर फिल्म मेकिंग चैलेंज करते हैं. वैसे भी 3 महीने हमारे पास कुछ खास काम तो है नहीं, एक आध 2 फिल्म फेस्टिवल के क्यूरेशंस चल रहे थे, तो हम अपना सारा एनर्जी लगाते हैं एक फिल्म मेकिंग चैलेंज बनाने में. बट हम एक ही बार करने वाले हैं. लाइक मेरा बहुत सिंपल लॉजिक था, कोई भी चीज या तो एक बार करो एंड खत्म कर दो, क्योंकि अगर तुम 2 बार करोगे तो फिर तुम्हारे को तीसरी बार भी करना पड़ेगा, राइट? तो हमने बैठ के डिस्कस किया कि रूल्स क्या होने चाहिए, लोग पार्टिसिपेट कैसे करेंगे, जूरी किसको बनाएंगे एंड क्या नाम रखेंगे. तो हम लोगों ने नाम सोचा अहमदाबाद फिल्म प्रोजेक्ट. जाके डोमेन ढूंढा तो डोमेन मिल रहा था, डोमेन बाय कर लिया. मेरा बेसिक HTML स्किल्स था, थैंक्स टू माय डैड टीचिंग मी अ लॉट ऑफ कोडिंग एंड बेसिक HTML इन माय चाइल्डहुड. तो मैंने जाके एक 4 पेज का वेबसाइट बना दिया एंड उस पर रूल्स डाल दिए, रजिस्ट्रेशन का फॉर्म डाल दिया, XYZ अहमदाबाद फिल्म प्रोजेक्ट डोमेन. एक छोटा सा फोटोशॉप में बहुत ही गंदा सा लोगो बना दिया एंड हम लोगों ने पोस्ट कर दिया. एक फेसबुक ग्रुप बनाया एंड उसमें 2000 लोगों को ऐड कर दिया. पहले फेसबुक में ऐसा होता था कि यू कुड ऐड पीपल विदाउट देयर परमिशन एक ग्रुप के अंदर. हाँ, this is 2011 I'm talking about. Now imagine this is the energy of a 21-year-old, जहाँ पे 4 बजे आइडिया आता है, 10 बजे तक आप अनाउंस करके वेबसाइट बना के लोगो बना के सब कुछ करके वहां से निकल भी जाते हो, राइट? एंड नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग आई कम टू माय ऑफिस एंड देयर इज अ गाय हु इज स्टैंडिंग देयर with his registration form and fees. तब वो ऑनलाइन पेमेंट नहीं था, तो you had to pay. And we were trying to do it for people in Ahmedabad. तो आइडिया वाज कि अहमदाबाद के लोगों के लिए करते हैं. And we were expecting 100-150 people to participate. But by the time the actual setup date came in, तब तक 600 people ने participate कर लिया था. And उसमें से 80% were not from Ahmedabad. So people were traveling from Chennai, from Bangalore, from Kolkata, from Delhi, from Bombay. Because the compulsion was कि आपको फिल्म शूट करना है 50 घंटे में अहमदाबाद में आके, वो भी वर्ल्ड सिटी के अंदर, right? तो of course it was a great validation. And to top on it, संजय गढ़वी करके धूम के डायरेक्टर थे. I had written to him to become a jury and he said yes. So we were like, oh, we are doing some decent work. संजय गढ़वी को ले आए, 600 लोगों को ले आए. People are also paying to participate for this. तो हमारा at least cost is getting recovered. AMA में जाके हम लोगों ने अनाउंसमेंट मतलब सेरेमनी कर लिया, ओपनिंग सेरेमनी. एंड देन वाइड एंगल में जाके हम लोगों ने हमारा क्लोजिंग सेरेमनी, अवार्ड सेरेमनी कर लिया. एंड देन वी वर लाइक कभी नहीं करना अभी इसके बाद, हो गया ऐसा. तो इवन इफ यू सी इट वाज कॉल्ड अहमदाबाद फिल्म प्रोजेक्ट ओनली, इट वाज नेवर कॉल्ड सीजन 1 और 2011 नथिंग. फिर नेक्स्ट ईयर वापस से मॉनसून का टाइम आया, समवेयर अराउंड आई थिंक मई जून जुलाई. वी स्टार्टेड गेटिंग पीपल राइटिंग अस, कॉलिंग अस ऑन आवर ऑफिस लैंडलाइन सेइंग दैट इस साल का अहमदाबाद फिल्म प्रोजेक्ट कब हो रहा है. तो वी सेड अरे लोग तो एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं, हम तो नहीं करना चाहते. हमारे पास तो बाय दैट टाइम केवी तेजेश हैड रिलीज्ड, आई हैड कपल ऑफ अदर प्रोजेक्ट्स गोइंग ऑन. तो मुझे यही था कि अगर मैंने इस बार कर लिया और फिर अगर थर्ड ईयर नहीं किया तो पीपल विल थिंक ऑफ इट एज अ फेलियर कि यार यू नो ऐसा कैसा कि 2 बार हुआ, नहीं हुआ तीसरी बार. आई रोट टू शुजित सरकार, तब विकी डोनर आई थी, ही अग्रीड टू बी ऑन जूरी. आई रोट टू विक्रमादित्य मोटवाने, उड़ान आई थी, ही अग्रीड टू बी ऑन जूरी. आई रोट टू राजेश मापूसकर, तब फरारी की सवारी आई थी, तो ही अग्रीड टू बी ऑन जूरी. आई लाइक अरे मेरे पास तो अच्छा जूरी भी है इसके लिए. तो सेम फॉर्मेट, वही वेबसाइट पे डेट्स चेंज करके वी अनाउंस्ड इट. सेकंड ईयर भी इट वाज कंपलसरी फॉर पीपल टू कम टू अहमदाबाद. देन थर्ड ईयर वी सेड यार बार बार लोगों को ट्रेवल करवाते हैं, उनका इतना खर्चा हो जाता है फिल्म बनाने का, 15 लोगों की टीम का ट्रेवल, स्टे 3 दिन का, देन अगेन दे कम फॉर अवार्ड, तो 2 बार ट्रेवल कर रहे हैं लोग. तो इधर एक काम करते हैं, इसको ऑनलाइन कर देते हैं, पीपल पार्टिसिपेट फ्रॉम देयर ओन सिटी. सो चलो फिर तो अहमदाबाद फिल्म प्रोजेक्ट नाम नहीं रख सकते, तो व्हाट डू यू कॉल इट? देन वी कॉल्ड इट इंडिया फिल्म प्रोजेक्ट. थैंकफुली द डोमेन वाज अवेलेबल, सो वी जस्ट कॉल्ड इट इंडिया फिल्म प्रोजेक्ट एंड वी स्टार्टेड द एंटायर जर्नी. तो हम लोगों ने हमेशा लोगों से सुना, तो पीपल केम टू अस एंड सेड हम 50 घंटे में फिल्म बनाते हैं, उसके लिए हम लोग स्टोरीज भी 50 घंटे में ओरिजिनल लिखते हैं, तो तुम लोग स्टोरी का अलग चैलेंज करो. तो वी डिड अ राइटिंग चैलेंज. Then people came to us and said, "अरे हम original music भी 50 घंटे बनाते हैं." So we started a 50-hour music challenge. So we were always listening to what people are saying. Same with the festival. People said, "आप सिर्फ films और digital की बात कर रहे हो first year में, आप literature की बात क्यों नहीं करते? आप music की बात क्यों नहीं करते?" ऐसे करके festival kind of kept on evolving. And then this feedback mechanism helped us grow very fast. And we don't spend in marketing, right? मतलब you wouldn't have seen IFP का कहीं हम बड़े-बड़े एड्स दे रहे हैं, हमारे पास उतना बजट ही नहीं होता है. वी वांट टू कीप इट लाइक एन इंडिपेंडेंट फेस्टिवल.
आपने आपके इंस्टाग्राम पे लिखा है दैट यू आर अ सेल्स स्पेशलिस्ट, राइट? व्हाई डू यू से दैट?
आई थिंक वेरी अर्ली ना मैंने एक चीज सीखा था कि सेल्स इज द नंबर वन मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग टू रन अ बिजनेस. एंड इफ यू सी बिटवीन अ गुड बिजनेस एंड एन एवरेज और अ पुअर बिजनेस, द डिफरेंस इज सेल्स, राइट? सर्विसेज ऑलमोस्ट, वी आर इन अ वेरी ग्लोबलाइज्ड वर्ल्ड जहाँ पे सर्विसेज में बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है. It's only about how someone is selling that is differentiated. I still do sales consultancy जहाँ पे every week I sign up 3 businesses जिनको I help. Of course not help, they pay me for that, but I help them become better.
If someone my age wants to be a part of these things, how do they do? How do they reach
There's
out?
a website, you Ritam Bhatnagar Sales Consultancy, pay fees and get it.
Okay.
But sorry, too salesy.
एक और क्वेश्चन है विच इज वेरी रेलिवेंट टू एनीवन हु इज इन मीडिया, बीइंग अ मीडिया कंपनी, एंड दैट टू यू हैव लॉट ऑफ यंग टैलेंट, मतलब जेंजी लोग हैं जिनके बारे में लिंक्डइन पे इतनी बुरी बुरी चीजें लिखी जाती है. आई एम लाइक नो, वी आर नॉट लाइक दैट, बट एनीवे व्हेन दीज थिंग्स गेट रिटन एंड गिवन यू वर्क विद देम सो क्लोजली, हाउ हैव यू टैकल्ड हायरिंग एंड व्हाट हैज बीन योर स्ट्रैटेजी?
As such, there is no strategy that when it comes to it. I think I love working with young people. Young people bring crazy energy.
Right.
Most of the campaigns that we would have cracked in last one and a half year, why our festival feels different every time, it feels young all the time, is because there are young people who are working on it. It's not unlike other festivals which are run by people in maybe their late 30s, early 40s, trying to sell something to a 20-year-old. We at least have a 25-year-old trying to sell something to a 25-year-old. So I think that understanding of how young people build and add value, specifically in media, which is so dynamic, where you have to continuously change, no one adapts better than young people, which is for true. And I think the entire crux is the growth is more of an inner function rather than an outer function, which a lot of people don't understand. Eventually, when they are young, they understand this.
Make it simpler to understand.
I think you grow from your brain and what you consume and how you deal with the world rather than jumping your companies. Most of the biggest people that you are talking about, Sundar Pichai joined Google when Google was just a 20 people company, you know, and then eventually that's where Sundar Pichai is. It's not just his skills. There are many more people who would be better skilled at Google, but they would have just jumped the guns multiple times. So are they good at skills? Yes. Are they good at knowing their own company? No. Because you are not invested in a company, right? You are like, मुझे 2 साल रहना है. Why should I learn about culture and people? I would just learn, better my skills, move to the next one. For me, one of the hiring criteria is if I see a CV that has too many jumps, I will, in spite of them being the best, I know that I can't force a sense of ownership into a person who themselves don't see themselves as a owner at any of those places.
एक चीज जो मैं बहुत सुनती हूँ वो है कि बेटा अभी जितना करना है कर लो, आगे जाके रिस्क एपेटाइट कम हो जाएगा. इज दैट रियली ट्रू?
Yep. I think my risk appetite 10 years back or 15 years, even 5 years back versus what I can take has definitely lessened because I'm more comfortable in a space. I think there is a definition that you give to your life. Once you are in part of that definition, thoda sa you take lesser risk because you know कि this for me is working. So every time I go out and I try something which is not working, I am also disturbing what is working for me. I think वो थोड़ा सा it's how maybe I think how your 30s का brain works. But it depends people to people. I've seen people who have quit their jobs at 40. They've quit their highly grown companies at 35 and moved to do something very different in their life. I also want to become a Lego artist. I also want to do that, and maybe for me that would be a risk when I give up an entire company and I say, you know what, I don't maybe want to run IFP anymore. I want to be a Lego artist. I'm ready to take that risk. I don't know if I'll be able to put it into motion, but yeah, the thought is always there.
Other than Lego, what makes Ritam today happy, and what made Ritam maybe 10 years back happy?
10 years back, it would have been definitely sales calls. I used to love doing that. I used to wait for sales calls. I used to be like, इस हफ्ते मेरे को 5 sales calls करने हैं, इस हफ्ते 10 करने हैं. How do I take that number to 15? And I also think that was a phase जहाँ पे hobbies didn't have any time. मतलब मैंने कुछ भी अपने 20s में कुछ भी hobby driven ज़्यादा किया ही नहीं है. Of course, Lego used to be one thing. जो भी बहुत छोटा time मिलता था उसमें I used to do. So I do Legos, which takes a lot of my time. I get paid projects there. I in fact earn more from my Legos than what I earn from IFP from my salary. I do a lot of mandala. I love doing art. So mandala is my common thing. मेरे Instagram पे you will keep on seeing me doing one mandala at least a month that I keep on doing. And off late pickleball. I've been just playing too much pickleball. Too much matlab I just carry entire years all the time.
What would you choose for today's digital economy if you had to keep in mind? Instagram or YouTube?
Instagram.
Paid ads or organic ads?
Paid ads.
Mumbai or Ahmedabad?
Ahmedabad.
Why?
I just think great work-life balance.
Okay.
Plus, you are in an internet economy. You are not losing on anything that people in Mumbai are gaining over.
Right. That's very important. I'm glad you answered this because a lot of us keep wondering about it.
Of course.
New media or traditional media?
New media. New media.
New media. What does that mean?
Which is already now happening. Yep.
Okay.
Which is companies like IFP and a lot of other companies who are not even doing just social media or influencer.
Right.
Now they are building strategies which are more relevant, more young, more AI driven.
Right. And your favorite creator today?
My favorite creator? Oh shit. I was not prepared for this question at all. Favorite creator?
Anything that comes to your mind that will count as
I don't know. I love a page called Daily Overview. I love they click satellite images of the world from top and they show you world in a very different way. I just feel so happy when I'm scrolling through that page. They recently launched a new book which has a compilation of best satellite images and I just bought the first book that they put across and now I'm compiling every book that they bring in. So I think for the first time I'm investing behind someone I used to follow on Instagram. They're based out of Texas.
Right. And last, because media is going to be heavily driven by AI in the coming times, what should a person do today to stay ahead of the times?
I think learn how AI works and learn every tool that can make you better. I just think AI is the best intern that you can have. But you should know how to get the best out of your intern. If you just think that having an intern does your work, it doesn't.
Yeah.
So most people, while they're looking at AI to do their basic stuff, AI is capable of doing much more. It's able to do those things. Just to give, I don't know how long I can go in this, but just to give an example, traditionally, any agency, when they get a brief, they think of strategy and then idea, then they create a deck eventually, and then they put the pricing, and then they create a pitch. Now, this process is typically, for example, in our business, a 20 to 30 day process. So when a brief comes in, companies give us 30 days and then we are preparing a slide or a presentation which is close to 100 and plus slide. Right. Talking about larger campaigns. Great. Abhi, how does AI change that? When we get a brief at 11 o'clock, we put that brief into AI and we ask them to give us as many ideas. They give us 50 ideas. Our job becomes to pick up the best 5 out of those 50. Then we again go back to AI, tell them, hey, detail this out and fit into this company's strategy. It researches everything that the company has done and tells you, hey, basis what they have done, these are the 5 ideas which if executed in this way, ye chalega. Then we pick up those things, we go to another AI, we put those ideas and we say, hey, create a presentation about it. वो हमारे को PPT फाइल देता है, हम उसका बेसिक फॉर्मेटिंग करते हैं, आइडिएशन पे बैठते हैं, अगेन एट दिस स्टेज saying okay, what could have gone amiss, what more can we add, and then we eventually put it out. This entire process for us is 2 days.
Right.
जिसके लिए हमारे को 25 days मिलते हैं.
Yeah.
So third day को we send it to the brand, who gets our proposal much earlier than any other proposal that they'll get. Most people think of AI as an assistant. It's not an assistant. It's the smartest person in the room. It's up to you how much can you get out of the smartest person.
And how can you, from all the options that they lay out, you pick the smartest, curation possible and then go and...
So your human involvement is to understand things that, hey, out of these 50 things that AI has thrown at me, which are those best 5 that I need to pick up?
quickly, the tools that Ritam Bhatnagar today uses today, AI ones.
So my entire sales is run through AI. So my CRMs are completely AI driven. They tell me saying that, hey, this company has budget, so you should reach out to these prospects in this company.
Right.
I don't even have to run my mind. वो देखते हैं पूरे इंटरनेट पे कहाँ पे कौन एडवर्टाइजमेंट कर रहा है. They find and give it to me. Our entire design and video team uses AI. Most of the designs that you'll see on FP space, because पहले हम लोग लोगों का बनाया हुआ आर्टवर्क यूज करते थे कभी, तो people used to come and fight back with us. That करना ही नहीं है. We just put out saying that this is AI generated imagery. So जो हमारा एक दिन में 2 पोस्ट बनता था, अभी हमारा एक दिन में 10 पोस्ट बनता है. It's as simple as that. So we use Lucid, which is one of it. We use a lot of Leonardo for creating it.
Right.
For ideation के लिए there are combination of multiple tools जहाँ से हमारे को brief निकलते हैं. Of course, there is the best one that I like is ChatGPT Pro. I don't know, somehow no one beats it. In spite of so many tools, Canva now has got a really
AI
good feature, AI feature. You can put up something and they can create presentation for you. So those set of tools that we use. Then there's a very interesting tool called BrandWatch, which is for social listening. It's a great AI tool for every digital agency. So we use that. So they are close to, I think, and then of course Adobe ka entire AI suite that we have purchased.
Yeah.
So I think close to 10-15 AI subscriptions which are going on. But
Right. Great. Thank you so much for sharing all the knowledge. Or it's not actually possible to share everything, but thank you for sharing that everything you could. And I know that 25-year-olds are going to be very, very excited about this. And thank you for building IFP, and which is why I guess you are so loved by Gujarat in that sense.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Nice
you.
speaking.